So good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the exercise 1D, in which we have to put the sign greater than, smaller than and equal to. This is the greater than sign, this is smaller than, this is greater. Okay. So now I have taken some examples, 36 and 72. So 36 is smaller than 72, so I have to put this sign. 36 is smaller than 72. And 29 and 19 I have taken. 29 is greater than, so I have taken this sign, greater than sign. 29 is greater than 19. See the another example, 25, 25. Both the numbers are equal. It means we have to put the equal to sign. Means 25 is equal to 25. Okay, I will tell you the small trick. When you are putting this sign, always remember that this point should be always at smaller number, at the side of smaller number. See here, 36, this point is facing this 36, and in 19 is here small, so this point is facing this 19. So always remember, if there is any confusion related to smaller than or the greater than, you have to see this point. Okay, anyhow, this is a greater than number, smaller than sign, greater than sign, smaller than sign, and equal to sign. So come to the exercise. We will do the exercise with this sign. Okay, exercise 1D, fill in the blanks with greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Okay, and also read the number sentence aloud. 67 and 70. 67 is smaller and 70 is greater, so 67 is smaller than 70. 55 and 52. So 55 is greater than 52. This is the greater than sign. 64, 64, both are equal, so 64 is equal to 64. Now 25, 35. 25 is smaller, so 25 is smaller than 35. 14 and 35. 14 is smaller than 35. 35 and 25. 35 is greater than 25. 92 and 89. 92 is greater, so 92 is greater than 89. 12 and 15. 12 is smaller than 15, so 12 is smaller than 15. 94 and 69. 94 is greater than 69. Okay, see here, write the smallest and greatest number from the following. Here some numbers are given in each group: 48, 44, 24, 21 and 9. So see, the when you have to compare the number, always you will check, first you check the number in digit in tens place. Okay, so 4, 4, 2, and this is the single digit number 9. So definitely the single digit will be the smallest, so we have to write 9 as the smallest number. And now we have to compare 48, 44 and 21. When we are seeing checking the tens place digit, it is 2, 4, 4. So 2 is smaller. Then we have to compare with these two numbers, 4 and 4. So we have to move to the ones place. Here it is 8 and here it is 4. This number is called 44, and we can say it pronounces 48. So 48 is the greatest number in this group. See the next, 75, 29, 13 and 89. 7, 2, 1, 8. So which is smaller? 13 is smaller. And which is greater? 8, 9, 89 is greater. Okay. Arrange the number in increasing and decreasing order. You know that in increasing order we have to arrange smaller to bigger or greater, and descending order just opposite, greatest to the smallest. Okay. 39, 73, 95, 40. Again we are checking the tens place digit, 3, 7, 9, 8. Which is smallest? 39 is smallest. So first number will be 39. Then checking with the remaining 73, 95 and 48. 48 will be the next number. Then we are checking 73 and 95. 73 will be the next number, and 95 is the greatest number. See the decreasing order. For the decreasing order, we have to arrange from the greatest to smallest. You know that the greatest number is 95, then 73, 48 and 39. So 95, 73, 48 and 39. Just arrange the number from greatest to smaller. We already did this with the single digit. 57, 63, 87, 25. 25 is the smallest number since it has 2. And then 57, then 63, then 87. Okay, check the digit in tens place, 2, 8, 6, 5. So 2, 25. 25 will come first, then 57, then 63, then 87. See. To arrange and descending order, we have to arrange from greatest to smallest. So greatest number is 87, then 63, 57, and last number will be 25. Okay, see carefully. If you will able to do the increasing order, just opposite you can have to do the decreasing order. Okay, see the next. Now we are moving to the addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of two digit number. Here is 52 and 23. When we will add this 52 and 23, we have to add first the digit in ones place. So here is 2 and 3. So after 2, just count 3. 1, 2, 3 I have made already. After 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the number will be here? 5. Then after 5 we will count 2. After 5, 6, 7. So 75 will be the sum of the given number. Now here subtraction 24 from 84. 4 minus 4. When we are subtracting same number from the same number, so it will be the 0. Then 8 minus 2. Here are 8 strokes. Then cut the 2 and count the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 will be the remainder. This 84 minus 24 is 60. Okay. Now we are seeing the addition with carry. Okay. See 47 and 23. So we have to add 47 and 23. How to add the 23 and 47? See, when we are adding 7 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. After 7 I am counting next 8, 9, 10. So we got the number 10. You cannot write this 10 in place of ones. So what we have to do, we have always write the number in ones place at the ones place only. So this 0 will be here and this 1 will be carried to tens place. Okay, this is a tens place and should be carried. Now we have to add 1, 4 and 2. Carry over, then given digit. So for carry over I have drew 1 stroke, and for this given number 4, then 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that digit? Is 7. So 47 plus 23 is 70. See the next one, subtraction with borrowing. Borrowing means, what is the borrowing? I will tell you. 40 minus 26. We cannot subtract 6 from 0 because 0 is the smallest number. So what we have to do, we have to take 1 from this neighboring number or tens place number. In tens place there is a 4. So we have to take 1. It will become 1, 0, 10. Okay, now it is easy to subtract 10 minus 6. See 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is remainder. When we are taking or borrowing 1 from this number, so the next the remaining will be 3. Just to see the number comes before 4. Okay, when we are taking any number and 1 from any number, the before number will be left. Before, or the number in left side will be left. Before 4, which number has to be there? Is 3. So now we are subtracting 3 minus 2. So for 3 we have to draw the 3 stroke and cut 2. What is the remainder? Is 1. Okay. Now we are doing the exercise here. See carefully. First solve the following. First question is about the subtraction. 8 minus 4. It is the easy one. You draw 8 stroke and cut the 4 and count the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will be here. 7 minus 2. So draw the 7 stroke and cut 2. So 5 will be the answer. See, this is the addition sum 4 plus 2. So I have not made a stroke for 4. Just count after 4. After 4, 5, 6. Okay. And 6 plus 1, 7. The next number will appear. See here carefully, 6 and 7. So I have made here 6 stroke and we will count after 7. When we are adding 6 to 7 or 7 to 6, answer will remain same. So after 7 I am counting 6. 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the number will be 13. You know that the digit in one's place has to be written in one's area and 1 has to be carried. Okay. So I carried. Then 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. See here, we have to subtract 9 minus 8. It's easy. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is 1 only, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. How to subtract? You just draw the stroke and cut it off. So when you are doing this way, so you are able to do the question. Okay. Now we will see this one. Okay. 3 minus 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 3, so we have to borrow from here. When it will be borrowed, here will be 13 and here will be 6. Then 13 minus 6 is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be the remainder. And what is the 6 minus 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and cut 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you understand the thing? So with this method we have to do the addition and subtraction.